Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Xiaomi Mi Band 6. You can see some specifications of this band here. Okay, but first, without unboxing it, I want to mention that I got this Mi Band 6 on Gobo website, and you can find it for 44.99 euros, basically 45 euros, or equivalent to that it will be 60 US dollars. You will find a coupon here, a 5 euro coupon, in the description below, also the link where you can make a purchase. And I want to mention that this website has some cool tech products, also has smartphones, but this Mi Band 6 is on sale right now and it has a very good price. You can find the Redmi Note 10s NFC, Redmi Note 10 5G for 200 euros. This is a very good phone. You can find Poco F3 and a lot of other stuff. Now let's continue with unboxing the Mi Band 6. Okay, so in the box you will find the Mi Band. You have a very thick book for a Mi Band watch, but apparently this is in several languages. Yeah, this is the magnetic charger of the watch. It's a short cable, but it gets the job done. Now let's take a look at the watch, and as you can see here, I just opened the watch and it still has battery from the day that got out of the factory, and this is a good thing because this proves that the battery life on this Mi Band is very good. Okay, so it's very shiny and it's very beautiful. The strap is silicone material and it's very nice. It's easy to remove, although I went a little bit slow. Here we have the sensor and here we have the magnetic charge. And this is basically how you charge this Mi Band. It says here pair first, and I'm gonna pair this Mi Band with my A52. I'm using a Samsung device on purpose because I want you guys to see that even though I'm not using this Mi Band with a Xiaomi device, it will still work. Okay, so in order to pair the band, first you need to give the Mi Fit app all of the permissions. Okay, as you can see here, pair with phone, yes. Okay, so this is the welcome screen of the band in the phone. And as we can see, we have compact size, large display. And I want to mention that this display is actually big and the fonts are big. Wearable blood oxygen detection monitor. 30 type of workouts, 1 score to know your sleep. Try now. Okay, so after the update, the band restarted and this is what you get. You have the time here, you have the battery percentage on the top, you have the date, the steps that you take, and the calories that you have burned. Okay, so now let me just test it out. Let's test the heart rate. I kept all my other Mi Bands below the wrist, not above the wrist. So it says here relaxed, 88 BPM. Now let's exit out of that. You can see here all of the features that this phone has. We also have the possibility to find the phone. Let's hit find the device. We also have the possibility to use the band as a shutter button for the camera of the phone. Here we see the weather. If we just swipe 2 times, we don't have permission, but we need to allow the band to control the phone, and we can control the music from the band. Yeah, the font is very big and you can clearly see the time. I will also try this outside and I will keep this for my personal use. I didn't use a Mi Band since Mi Band 3 and I will use this one from now on. I didn't like other versions of Mi Band because the display was too small, but now this has large fonts and big display. So now let's go outside and take a look how this will look wearing it in my hand. This is the water test of the Mi Band 6D. Wait, I'll just remove this. And I noticed something, that as soon as I put the band inside the water, the screen will go off automatically. And I think that this is a good feature because the band doesn't need to be on if it's in the water. Okay, so we're back now, and I want to mention only that this band, it's worth its money. It feels very good in hand, and I would recommend it to anyone. It will mean a lot to me if you guys make a purchase from the link in the description below, and also use my coupon to save some money. So with that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.